Hi, and welcome to Tool Zone. Today's video is packed with astonishing skills and seamless execution. These aren't just tasks. This is where hard work meets art. Take a seat and step into the world of true professionals. So that's how cardboard boxes come together. Pretty cool, right? Breaking a massive stone slab away from solid rock with surgical accuracy, and doing it by hand. These craftsmen have practically bent nature to their will. Every move is so precise, it's less labor and more a mesmerizing form of art. Just how inventive can restaurant service get? This clip proves the answer might surprise you, especially when the team embraces fresh, out-of-the-box ideas. A pipe bursts into a movie-worthy fountain, and the worker jumps in to fix it, soaked but unstoppable. Total hero move. In her hands, ordinary cement becomes a living canvas, and the trowel turns into a paintbrush for fine details. Watching her work feels like witnessing the birth of a masterpiece, one that can never be duplicated. When the workspace feels great and the controls are spot on, the results speak for themselves. Clean, efficient, and done with flair. From the first stitch to the final touch, each hat is crafted with care and personality. It's captivating and inspiring to see how much story can be woven into a single accessory. Curious what razor-sharp perfection looks like? This is it. The blade now glides through anything like it's slicing air. This isn't just riding a wave, it's owning it. Power, balance, perfect timing. It's hypnotic. Be honest. Aren't you already imagining yourself up there surfing like a pro? Some builders don't just handle tools with skill, they've got dance moves too. But remember, a construction site isn't a dance floor, and if you lose your footing, those bricks might become your next dance partners. This fruit salad comes together in under a minute, and the slicing, it's like watching a live performance. Only thing faster is if you start eating halfway through. After that stylish shearing, this sheep looks like she just walked out of a luxury salon. She's definitely the trendsetter of the flock now. The cutting technique here is certainly unconventional, though after 15 minutes of repetition, it might turn into a bit of a visual trance. Winding thick cables onto a giant spool isn't exactly like wrapping up a ball of yarn. It takes some serious machinery. Luckily, parts of it are automated, otherwise you'd be stuck watching the process on loop forever. A little girl behind the wheel of a giant truck. No fear, just pure joy. Makes you really think, why are so many grown-ups still terrified of parallel parking? A milk and coffee drink is topped with latte art, creating a decorative design on its surface. Say hello to the gadget that turns slicing tricky foods into a breeze. Every cut is smooth and clean, just like a pro chef is behind the knife. At first glance, it's a simple tool, but the way it produces crisp edges and sharp corners is seriously impressive. Just watch and appreciate the precision. Braiding dough for muffins isn't as easy as it looks. It's a creative and intricate task, but when pros are at the helm, every batch comes out looking and tasting amazing. The welder uses a temporary support to assist with the process, then removes it when it's no longer needed. The hand clamp is a tiny engineering hero. Compact yet mighty, it keeps everything in place with unwavering grip. With this tool, your project is safe and secure, no doubt about it. Who knew business cards could be so beautiful? Each one is crafted with care, combining design and precision like miniature art pieces. Just make sure not to mistake this candle for your morning coffee. Looks can be deceiving. When a bowling ball turns out to be a pear in disguise. A massive pizza for a crowd, or maybe just one daring foodie with a serious appetite. What do you think? Could you take it on? Robots building houses without people? We've officially entered the future. Next stop, AI architects? Straw hats might be machine woven, but the finesse, the final styling and shaping still rests in skilled human hands. That last touch makes all the difference. A pastry that's not just tasty, but a true visual delight. Wow, just look at the awesome prints this gadget can create on clothes. It's true artistry. Honestly, I'd love to wear something this original, wouldn't you?